How's it going, guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. Today we are at the London EV Show 2024. In today's video I'm gonna show you what is new this year. I hope we can talk to some people, see what is new in the EV industry, and let's see what we have this year. Fun fact, this is my first year and actually I'm super excited to be here. There's a lot of interesting things that you can see, a lot of companies, a lot of pitching, investors, new businesses. I think it's going to be interesting to see what we have here. Let's start now. I'm going to make sure this is in one go, so basically let's start from the beginning. This is the beginning, as you can see. Obviously there's so many entrances, but you can enter from S7 or S6. So as you can see in front of me we have the Lotus, and I think this is not their first year. If you're interested to know, EV London show hosting, this is the fourth year in London XL. Sadly there is no car here. I wish Lotus are showcasing maybe some of their cars, but again they're showcasing their charger, Lotus flash charger, as you can see, their technology. Let's have a look closely. As you can see here, we have 22 kilowatt smart AC charger. Obviously this is for domestic, for home. If you wanna do that, obviously you can just contact Lotus basically. Let me show you quickly some of the chargers just here on the side, and I think they look quite smart. And they're not very big actually, which is so cool. Okay, let's continue with our tour now. So again, London EV 2024. Let me show you quickly what is the agenda for today. As you can see, so we have the floor map. Also there's a few conferences which are going on live today. Also they're free for the public. We have the Star Charge here, as you can see, which looks pretty cool. Again, looks very nice. On this side we have power electronics. There are a lot of charging stations going on in this event for 2024. We can see the Vesatel, if I pronounce it right. As you can see here, I'm gonna give you a quick tour of today's year, which are quite nice. Quickly show you, as you can see. Very nice. Also on this stand we have obviously Tesla. There is no EV show without Tesla, as you can see. Obviously they're leading market for EVs. Quite interesting. Also you can buy one. Now available from $299 per month. Not bad. haven't tried to drive one. That's the Model 3. Also, we have something very different here. This company, ladies and gentlemen, they're doing something different. There is another Tesla here, but this Tesla, it's not standard, as you can see. Spec-wise, it's standard. The battery, everything is the same. The power is the same. But what they do is they removing everything and they making the car very light as possible in order to make it track focus for your track days, for your drifting. And in my opinion, this looks so cool with the roll cage, as you can see. I'll show you the back as well, which looks very nice. Looks very different. Again, standard Tesla, but obviously everything is different inside. Just I'm gonna show you quickly from inside as well. With the roll cage, looks so nice. It's so different. Look at that, it's stripped off completely. And the roll cage as well looks so cool. Yeah, look at the handbrake. That's a very nice. And also the back as well. Yeah, definitely interesting. Yeah, this is the brand, this is the company. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think, guys? Let me show you this part here. I think it's so cool. I probably want to get inside when it's a little bit quieter. But on this side we have something different. We have something that I never seen before. The company is called Skywell, and that's 100% electric as well, as you can see. That's a SUV. Skywell, yeah, definitely the back looks very nice. And also from inside as well. Nice, very nice.
Test drive. No, it's not here, not now. I want to take it for test drive.
Skywell. Interesting design. Yeah, definitely inside looks very comfy. Now on this side we have something else. That's a very cute and small, I don't know how do you call that, but it's like a Golf basically. Club car, it's a club car. It's a club car. Looks small. 2 people, and also can put some stuff behind, which looks interesting. 2 pedals, you have gas and brake, obviously. And also companies doing different models as well, as you can see, some of the models that they do. Nice.